In the previous video, I have explained to how to get the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a given matrix, and in today's video, I will be discussing about the concept called rank of a matrix and how to determine the rank of any given square matrix. So let's get started. We will be discussing about rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. In the previous video, I have told you how to find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Now, I will be taking two problems here and I will find out the rank for them, and I will tell you the procedure to follow to find out the rank. Before starting, I just want to tell you the definition of a rank of a matrix. A matrix is said to be having rank of R when it has at least one non-zero minor of order R. The example that I am taking here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 6 and 5. So always remember that we will be able to calculate rank of any matrix on the condition that it is a square matrix. We call horizontal elements as rows and vertical elements as columns. So 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So we will find the rank of this matrix. The rank of the matrix is denoted by the letter row of A if at all the given matrix is A. Rank of A, row of A, right? So we'll be dealing with many of the row and column operations here, and we need to make it into a identity matrix of minimum minor. Okay, so the first operation which I'll do is I have to make this thing to 0. Okay, for that what I have to do, I have to subtract this from this, and also I have to make this as 0. So 2 times of this minus this will makes this element 0. Okay, so see here, R2 minus R1 or else R2 give rise to R2 minus R1, and also R3 give rise to R3 minus 2R1. Okay, so the resultant matrix will be, the R1 will be remaining as it is, 1, 2, 3, and the second row will be coming as 1 minus 1, that is 0, and 4 minus 2, that is 2, and 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Okay, next R3 minus twice R1, R3 minus twice R1, so 2 minus 2, that is 0, and again R3, this is 6 minus 2 times of 2, that is 6 minus 4, that is 2, and again 5 minus twice of 6, twice of 3, 5 minus twice of 3, that is minus 1 again. Okay, so this is the resultant matrix that we get. Now the third minor of A vanishes. So what can we write here? What can we write here is that you can make this particular thing into 0. This particular thing into 0. How can you do that? R3 give rise to R3 minus R2. So the resultant matrix will be 1, 2, 3, 0, 2 and minus 1, and this will be 0, 0, and again this is 0. Okay, we are trying to make it into a identity matrix, but the minor elements here are, this is a first minor and another minor is formed by this 2. First minor is given by 1, 2, 0, 2, and the second minor is given by 1, 3, 0, minus 1. Okay, so the resultant AD minus BC here is not equals to 0. AD minus BC of this minor and again AD minus BC of this minor is not equals to 0. Hence, we get 2 minors here. So the rank of A is equals to 2. Here the another matrix is given by A equals to, always take any matrix as A only, 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, and again what you get, 3, 1, 0, 2, and this is 1, 1, minus 2 and 0. For this you have to find out the rank. It seems to be very difficult, but when you understand the row and column operations, it seems very easy. Okay. Now you have to perform the column operations first. Okay. So these are the columns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. These are the rows. Okay. So you have to make this element 0 by using this element. Again this element 0 by using this element. We will see how to do that. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So column 3 give rise to column 3 minus column 1, and again column 4 give rise to column 4 minus column 1. Okay. So the resultant matrix which you get here is that 0, 1, 3, 1, and we haven't touched this second column, so it will be as it is, and the third column is C3 minus C1, so this minus this is minus 3 itself, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and this will be 0 minus 3, that is minus 3, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 here, and C4 minus C1, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and again 0 minus 1 is minus 1 only. So this is the resultant matrix. Now we will be operating row operations here to make these elements 0. Okay. The overall motto here is that we have to make the given matrix into identity matrix. From that we'll find the rank. Okay. So make these elements 0 by using this row. Okay. We'll see how to do that. R3, that means this row give rise to R3 minus R1, and again R4 give rise to R4 minus R1. You might get a doubt how we have decided which row to which column operation, how it was done. Okay, it is quite simple. See here, this is 1 0 0 and this must be made 0. We'll look into it. And again, what are the remaining things? This must be made 0, this must be made 0. And how to make this 0? This can be made 0 by subtracting this from this, by subtracting this from this, and this from this, this from this. So these are identical elements. So I have observed these elements as identical in the matrix. So I have subtracted this from this. Okay. So the first row will be as it is, 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 0 0, it will be as it is, and again R3 minus R1. So 3 minus 0, that is 3 only. Okay. So 1 minus 1, that is 0, and again minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 minus of minus 3, that is plus 3, that is 0, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, 1 minus 0, that is 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, minus 3 plus 3, that is 0, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0 again. So this is the resultant matrix after the row operations. Make this as 0 again. Okay. All our motto is to make it more simpler, and whatever the minor that is left is said to be the rank of that matrix. So you have to make this 0. How can you make it 0? By simply subtracting this minus 3 times of this. Okay, we'll check that. R3 give rise to R3 minus 3R2, and again R4 give rise to R4 minus R2. Okay, So the row 1 will be as it is. The row 1 will be as it is. 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, it will be as it is. 1, 0, 0, 0. R2 is also same as it is. This will be again 0 because 3 minus 3, that is 0. Again this will be 0. This is 0 again. This is 0 again. So 1 minus 1, that is 0, and all are zeros. You can check it out. Now what is left here again? This minus 3 is left and minus 1 is left. So if you add this element to 3 times of this becomes 0. If you add these two, it will become 0. So you have to do column operations. There is no way that you can do row operation. Why? Because all the row elements are 0 in this particular row column. So C3 give rise to C3 plus 3C2, and again what is the second thing? C4 give rise to C4 plus C2, right? So what will you get here? The final thing which you get here is 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 3 plus 3, because 3 times of this. So this is 0, and minus 1 plus 1, this is 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the last row will be 0 again. So this rank of that matrix A which you have taken will be 2 here. Okay, thank you.